Good evening, friends. Here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the oldest soap company, the company PC Cosmetic. You can see now. Let's go to the website. See, this is the website of the company. Company making the one brand name that is called Dr. Soap. This company is making soap and used by the for cleansing the laundry soap, detergent cake. So these are basically used by the company, used by the number of people in India. Okay. Now we will go some more fundamental of the company. So PC Cosmetic India manufacture and soaps, sells soaps and detergent in India. Its primary product including the detergent powder and cake or laundry soap. Okay. Book value. So let's say market cap. Market cap is 37.9. Current price is 143. High price is 200. Low price is 84. Stock P is 9.37. Book value, you can see that 103. Dividend yield 2.1. Return on capital employed 22.8. Return on equity 19.1. Face value 10. Ultimate score 7.16. Growth factor for Patrosky 7 is very good. Reserve power you can see is 7.2. Price power 0.6. Asset power 4.04. Place is 0. Peg ratio is 0.5. Very good peg ratio here. Solidity 1. Now you can see the overall 5 long-term chart of the company. After every long dip, company is giving very good long upward direction. Okay. Now see the company's pros here. Company has reduced debt, almost debt free. Okay. Healthy dividend payout. Companies delivered good sales growth of 1.9%. What the company is doing, same activity done by the Galaxy Standard and Hippoline. Sales, the company sales was negative since last few years, but last 2 year company increased their overall sales. Operating margin earlier maintained 4 to 5%. Now it is showing 3 to 4%. Is still flat. Interest, company increase some interest. Net profit, you can see how company net profit is growing from 6 to 60 lakhs to now 78 lakh flat. Now 10-year sales, you can see earlier in 2010 company sales was 28 crore. Now it is showing 82 crore, 83 crore sales. Operating profit, you can say earlier it was 60 lakhs. Now it is showing 5 to 6 crore. Very good sign. Interest is also, company is reducing their interest, but now increasing last few years. Okay. Net profit, company was earlier having 50 lakhs, 2 crore. Now it is showing 4 to 5 crore. Overall compounded sales growth is for the 5 year 2% compared to 18% CAGR, 9% and return on equity for 5 years 14%. So share capital, you can see company very good sign that company never dilute their equity capital. It is still saying 2.65 since last 9 to 8 years. Earlier companies was equity capital on 1.2, but now it is showing good. Reserve, company growing reserve from 9 crore to 24 crore. Borrowing, company still having some borrowing, but I think it will be reduced in the coming days. Investment is nothing for the company, but other asset, you can check the cash equivalent is just 0.6. Inventory 11 crore, trade receivables. So overall you can say that company is maintaining good balance sheet. Net cash flow of the company is in negative. Company is right now having cash crunch. Debtor days basically flat, inventory days flat, days payable flat, cash conversion flat, working capital increasing. Overall return on capital employed is 22.79. One of the positive sign for the investor that promoters holding the stock intactly and also increasing their position in March 2021 74.56. Sorry, reducing 74.7 to 74.56. Public is increasing their position.